Gravastar is known for producing futuristic-looking audio products that have a standout design. I like their Mars Pro and Venus speakers that I reviewed about half a year ago, and this time around, the company made something quite unique: earphones with interchangeable case design. What that means is that you have one set of earbuds in its core case, and you can swap the outer case in a matter of seconds to match your mood or the outfit. I have the combo package that has 3 cases, but you can also get them separately. I will leave all the links and show notes down below in the video description if you're interested. The buds come in quite a nice packaging where all of the items are packed neatly. Inside the box, you get the earphones in its core case, all the outer cases, a necklace, a few animated plastic props provided by Gravastar, a charging cable, and some paperwork. The core case, where the actual earphones are stored, is very compact and lightweight, and it has USB Type-C port for charging. Swapping cases is very easy. You just need to insert the earphone's core and tighten up the screw with your fingernail, a coin, or a screwdriver, and you're good to go. No special tools required. My favorite case is called Defense Armor. As the name implies, it is robust and is made completely out of metal. It gives the Sirius P5 a premium look and feel. Push the button to open up the spring-loaded lid and close it with a satisfying click. Gravastar is known for installing LED lighting in most of their products. The earphones have LEDs that show their status, and on the left side of the core, you can find a nice LED strip which lights up every time you open up and close the case. The bottom key allows you to switch from green, red, turquoise, and blue colors, and the chosen color stays on until you open up or close the case. The LED lighting looks really nice, and it adds to the sci-fi vibe these earphones are aiming for. The Defense Mecha case feels like it was made from the same plastic as Lego. It has a nice matte finish that is nice to the touch, and just like the Armor, it can be opened by pressing the side key. The clear tube gives a new perspective for the LED lighting, and I think it looks pretty cool. The Defense Crystal case is pretty much self-explanatory. It gives you a clear view of the core. You can also wear the earphones on your neck thanks to the supplied necklace. This is not something I would personally do on a daily basis, but I think it is very convenient when you are traveling, especially if you are on a plane or you simply don't have pockets. Gravastar promises that more case designs are coming soon, and I can't wait to see what they will unveil in the future. The earphones have this open-air design, and the shape is similar to the AirPods 3. The overall build quality is very good. This is a pretty standard earphones design, but I think that Sirius P5s look nice. They are also IPX4 rated, meaning that you can use them in the rain or while exercising. I know that a lot of people don't like in-ear design and silicone tips, and if you are one of them, you will appreciate the comfort to your ears. I found these buds to be comfortable to wear for hours, and they are very light, weighing just 5 grams each. I feel like I can wear them for almost an entire day, which is not the case with quite a few earbuds I've tested before. There are touch controls on each earbud, and you can control everything you need when it comes to music, calls, and so on. You can play and pause, skip tracks, answer or reject calls, adjust the volume, trigger voice assistant, or switch between music to 48 milliseconds low latency gaming mode, which I found to be very good. In practice, I didn't see any latency with my iPhone 14 Pro while gaming. Gravastar put huge 12mm drivers and aptX high-definition sound. These drivers produce sound that is detailed and crisp, the vocals and instruments sound super clean, there is a decent separation between mids, highs, and lows, there is a huge amount of bass, especially considering open-air design. These are definitely one of the best sounding open-air design earphones I've tested, especially in this price category. You can listen to music for 8 hours on a single charge, and the case provides a total music playback time of 40 hours. Charging time is around 1.5 hours. The Bluetooth 5.2 assures reliable connection with my phone, and multi-point connectivity allows you to switch from one device to another without any hassle. I found call quality to be pretty good, as everyone I talked to could hear me clearly, and that is thanks to ENC technology. All things considered, the Gravastar Sirius P5 earphones are innovative thanks to interchangeable case design. They sound very good, I found the buds to be comfortable to wear, and the battery lasts a long time. While the earphones market is pretty crowded, the Sirius P5 definitely stands out from the crowd, especially if you want to change the design of the case in a matter of seconds without buying the new pair of buds. What do you think about the Gravastar Sirius P5s? Would you buy these earphones or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.